Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Little tip on the parallel dimension tool. Most of the time, my text on the parallel dimension tool is too small to read. But if you've already started this and you want to continue measuring, but you can't really see the numbers, you can change the numbers afterwards, and I'm going to show you how to change them before. So with the pick tool, select that number, hold down the shift key and select that number, that number, that number, that number, and go right here and change it to 100 points. Now, if you know about that, mine constantly gets changed. With nothing selected is the key. Go to your text and change it to 100 points, and it's going to come up and you're going to click on dimension. I'm going to just take away the paragraph text because I don't want it, and say okay. Now when you draw with your parallel dimension tool, it's going to come up with that size font. So if you've already gotten some, or somebody maybe has sent you a file that you can't read, you can always change it afterwards. And if you need to make them smaller, you can't just select that. You've got to select that, hold down the shift, actually selecting the text. I mean, let's just make them a little bit smaller. Let's make them, you know, and also like right here, your next number 72, you can type in any number you want and make it 85, and it'll change that. Anyway, just a little bit of tidbit information. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.